Yes, I have. This is my app rehash this week.
Oh, let's bring in the rehash.
Is for Gmote.
Gmote.
We reviewed this. I don't know what the episode was. I should have looked it up or something.
Yeah. Maybe.
I don't know.
A while ago.
Yeah. And really, there hasn't been much of a change to it. But this is Gmote, spelled Gmote, and it is for free. Or there's a download. You can download a paid version that's just like a donate or whatever. So, but it's pretty simple interface. This has again, just like Orb, it has a program that lives on your computer, and it's like a helper app,
Yeah.
And this screen is the first screen that starts up, and this is the remote control. The Gmote helper app on your computer uses a version of VLC that's scripted or whatever that automatically plays stuff full screen. But very simple: stop, play, pause, and then the skip buttons. If like sometimes if you hold it, it'll go to like the next one in the same directory. I mean, if you just tap it, but like it skips through the song or whatever. Yeah. But volume and mute, or you can browse through all your different, like you set up what directories you want to be able to play. And like if you let's see, and again, the best stuff to stream as always, animation.
And this one, does this do any encoding on the fly?
No. Okay. But this does have a thing on here where I'm trying to. Oh, it's going to be in the browse. It says computer, which plays it on your computer, but you also have a phone one. So if you have compatible video for your phone, which this one supports MP4 and AVI, but
cool.
Yeah, I'll pull it up here. This video is not invalid for streaming to this device. So that's the thanks I get. But it also has this newer feature since we reviewed it last time called Web, and this will let you open up a like any website on your browser on your computer, and it like YouTube, Hulu, stuff that's pretty nice for watching videos and stuff, and then you can of course control it using your phone.
Yeah.
So, and if you don't like the the standard video setup or whatever, or for some of the odd jobs you have to do, there's this other option on here called touchpad when you hit menu, and this basically turns the phone into like a mouse pad that you just control the mouse using,
cool.
Rubbing on here, and especially handy for phones like this that don't have a physical keyboard, is an on-screen keyboard that you can then use to input text right on your computer.
Nice.
So it's
that's
cool
especially
stuff.
Useful if you have like a TV hooked up, like your media center computer.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes. So, and then I think that Gmote, it has a Windows helper app, but I think it also has one for Linux too.
Oh, cool.
So you can set up a really just low-cost budget home computer.
Now, one thing that kind of another thing for the media streaming with this one, it like the Orb one we just reviewed does transcoding on the fly.
Yeah.
So like you can stream it over slower connections. This one doesn't do transcoding. So.
No, it's just the full-blown file.
Yeah. So you have to be careful.
But less processor intensive. So depending on what your setup is, one can be just as good for you as the other one.
Totally.
So, and again, it's called Gmote, one word, Gmote. It's free, and there's a donate version.
Oh, cool.
So if you likes what you see, then go ahead and throw the developer a few dollars.
I like it. It's simple, and it's like I could like if he kind of like also made this like a Google TV compatible thing. Like if it was Google TV
know that when Google
they're gonna have
when they have apps though for the Google TV, that this will be on there.
Yeah, but you can kind of just transform any TV now or any computer into a Google TV.
Yeah, it's essentially the same setup. Pretty nice.
Pretty close. not really, but
you can pretend.
It's a poor man's Google TV.